is actually auditioning for one of our other shows. This is not her favorite presentation at the park. She loves to pretend that she's a singing dolphin. Good. She does a pretty good job. So the way that these guys learn their vocalizations is called mimicry. They can either mimic a trainer or even another bird. Bongo learned this from another bird here at the park, and it's my favorite. It's called Bombs Away! Good. She definitely thinks she's hilarious. Very funny. Good, you are. But I have to apologize in advance to the parents because that was kind of rude. Bongo, can you toot?
Mira, yo soy Willy, para mí que estoy siendo.
Well, I do learn a whole lot about our animals while I look at this here at the park. I learned that Bongo is pretty ticklish. Good. She's also a scaredy cat. When we turn on the lights in the morning, you can do anything and she will scream. Like, boo! I know, but I got you, didn't I? Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Well, Bongo has done an excellent job out here. And when she thinks she's done well, she'll actually give herself a little round of applause. So let's ask her what she thinks. Did you do a good job? Good, you did. And she has one more thing to tell all of you. It's kind of quiet, so listen closely. Bongo, can you tell them all? Bye. Good. She said bye. Thank you, Bongo.
Mira, papá, mira lo que yo estoy haciendo. Mamá, mira. Mira, papá.
Alright, guys. It's just been me up here. I think it's about time I get the help of a brave little kid. Really brave, not gonna run away, no matter what happens. Alright, how about the orders there, buddy? Come on down. Yeah? Alright, guys, so he doesn't know what he's volunteering for, so let's give him a hand. Okay, sir, let's turn around and tell everybody your name. Peter. How old are you, Peter? 8. 8. Are you 8 for sure? Yeah, okay. Alright, Peter, come on over here to Miss Rebecca, okay? She's gonna put that cool jacket on you. It's gonna protect you a little bit, okay, Peter? I mean, Peter, it didn't actually help the last kid, but we'll see what happens, okay, buddy? Should be fine. Alright, Peter, have a seat. You are very lucky. You want to know why? Because you get to call out your very own wild animal. That sound like fun? Yeah? You excited? Do you like wild, vicious animals? Rebecca, are you okay? Alright, she's probably fine. Alright, Peter, we're just gonna move on, okay? This is his lunch bell. Alright, so I want you to hold this in your right hand. Don't bring it until I get out of the way, okay? We're really still. Alright, sit back, relax. You can hold it close to your body. Put this hand here, I don't want it to go missing, okay? Peter. You look kind of nervous. You're not going to run, are you? Okay, well, only one of us will be running today. So that's why I'm going to blindfold you. Alright. You can do it. You want to do it? It's not a snake. Alright, close your eyes, buddy. Ring the bell. Let's call him out. Keep ringing. He's coming. Ring the bell. Ring it, Peter. Keep ringing. He's so scary, right? Ah! No! Keep ringing, Peter. He's almost there. Peter. And what did you call out, sir? What is it? What do you think it is? It is a rat. Yeah. This is Nicodemus. He's pretty cute. Don't you think? Do you want to pet him? You want to pet him? Well, I think he's doing pretty pretty great because we got him out back like 5 minutes ago. He is just so smart. I'm just kidding. You guys awake out there? Alright, well he is really smart. Do you want to see him do something really cool? Okay, Peter, just look out at the audience, stay really still. Yeah, he's not gonna hurt you. He's just gonna sit there. I want to show you something cool. Look out at the audience. Stay still, Peter. Alright, Nick, do something cool. What? Nothing happened. You're good, Peter. Just take a shower later, okay? Alright. Peter, you've been such a good sport. Do you want to help me out with something else? It's fun, okay? You want to help me? You can do it. Alright. So here's the deal. The animals left a huge mess in the animal inn over there. They're super messy. There's clothes all over the floor. There's like a hat, shirt, coat, shoes, basically anything you could wear. And that dog from earlier, Jake, he's a